Yeah, I'm Rick Young. I've been involved in the Australian livestock and meat industries for the past 25 years. Over the last 15 years, we've placed a lot of importance on reducing cattle injuries. The cattle feet have a wall of only about 3 to 7 mil thick. Anytime a cattle slides on concrete, they're upsetting that wall. They might break through the wall. Bacteria gets in there. You get infections and things like that. Also, there's a lot of injuries. People get injured, cattle get injured, facilities get wrecked. So they're the types of things that we're looking to reduce. With the amount of injuries, injuries lead to health issues, injuries lead to animal welfare issues, injuries lead to staff issues. So there was a real need to develop a product that stopped cattle from slipping, stopped cattle from hurting themselves, and to help us process them better. So we needed to find a rubber that wasn't slippery, that lasted a long time and was cost efficient. The last 3 or 4 years we've spent a lot of time developing a suitable rubber product that, one, was of a quality that was going to last, 2, that was going to stop cattle slipping, 3, was easy to install, 4, was easy to transport and handle, 5, was cost effective, and there's a number of other issues, but we basically wanted to develop something that suited the Australian industry. There's not a lot of options out there that suit what we do in Australia. It's installed in all types of facilities around Australia and other countries. It's in induction sheds, in feedlots, it's in trucking areas, it's in abattoirs, it's in live export facilities, it's in sale yards. YoungStar's been a great product. It's been taken up very quickly around Australia. It's in high demand, and it's met all of our expectations over time, and it's helping our cattle to perform better.